at confidence through balance. So we've been doing lots and lots of exercises so far. Make sure you have done all of these exercises before you go on to attempting the next two. Okay, so the next two, we're not going to be I am not going to be using anything to hold on to, simply because I'm going to be walking and I don't have much of a base back here to hold on to. However, if you want to hold on to a kitchen counter, that would be absolutely fantastic and ideal. If you do not have a kitchen counter to hold on to a person. Okay, here we go. You're going to put one foot in front of the other, just like we did on one of our first exercises. Okay, you're then going to put the other foot in front. Now, remember, you need to be holding onto a kitchen counter or having a person holding onto you. You're now going to put your other foot in front, your other foot in front, and keep walking, keep going, keep going. Now, hopefully, with all the exercises we've been doing up to now, you can do that absolutely fine. If you can't, do you know what? That just means you've got a challenge, right? So we've got something else that we're going to make sure that we can do by the end of this series. Okay, so we're going to put one foot in front of the other, one foot in front of the other, one foot in front of the other. Again, if you need to hold on to somebody, please do. Fantastic. Okay, here we go. Here we go. The big drama. Ready? Are we ready? I'm going to start from the other end. I'm actually putting both of these on the same video. So we're going to start from the other end. We're going to put one foot behind the other. Now, when I say behind, I don't mean put it behind toe to heel like we have been doing up to now. All I mean is kind of behind. Yes? So if I do that side on, I don't mean toe to heel like we have been doing up to now. I just mean you're going to put it roughly behind, like you would do if you're walking forwards and you just put a toe roughly in forwards like that, instead of toe to heel like we have been doing in our actual exercises. Okay, so we're going to walk backwards. We're going to bring one foot back, we're going to bring the other foot back, we're going to bring the other foot back. If you need to slow this down, do. Other foot back, other foot back. Fantastic. Make sure you've got someone holding you or you're holding onto a counter. Even if you've got holding onto a counter, it would be a good idea to have somebody else near you as well. Okay, and here we go. We're going to step back. 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 Brilliant. Now that can be by far the hardest one to actually do from the point of view of balance. If you can do it, then great. If you can't, just keep going, keep going, keep going. And once you can do the length of your room, turn around, go back. Some people find it much easier to do when they speed it up because it's more fluid. And having an easy flow there, it just means that it's more dancey and therefore it's just easier to do. Other people find slowing it right down and really taking that time with that foot placement and the central balance. So you're actually going over your lead foot, lead foot, lead foot every time. They actually find that much easier. Now, that is up to the individual, so try it both ways and see which one you prefer.